G'day. Picked up a Traxxas short course 1/16 scale, which they don't make anymore. I was looking at getting a body, new body, because this one's been cut up. Looks like they've put big wheels on it. He's cut the guards out. Still looks alright. I was looking at getting a shell, but they're expensive, so taken this, which is the plastic from a Bigfoot Monster Jam die-cast truck. I've lined up that edge with the corners, etc., and I've come up with that. Marked it out, left a bit of green on. Alright. So, made the back ones up. And it's going to work easy. Boom. Fit that to that corner. Fit that bend to that bend. Should be able to either screw it or glue it. Let's have a look at it. Once that's fixed into place, painted black to match, we'll have a decent shell. The car's perfect. Not perfect, but not bad. Had a crappy ESC and receiver, so I've put in the motor and ESC, sorry, not the motor, just the ESC and controller from Armour Gorgon. Believe it or not, this thing here comes with a 550 motor in it, brushed, stock standard, which is the same as most 110 brushed trucks, and the Armour Gorgon is a good one. 1/16 should be a beast.